To draw a gingerbread boy, I'm going to start out with a circle. And then I'm going to make one arm and the other arm. I'm going to bring these arms in a little bit more. And one leg. And the other leg. Now you're going to make his eyes. Big smile. Cheeks. Red, and I'm going to make a bow here. Just like a sideways number 8. And 2 little squiggly lines. And then I'm going to make some frosting. I'm going to make one row in red. And then I'll go back and make one row in green. Some pink cheeks. And that's how easy it is to make a gingerbread boy. So now I'm going to color him in.